What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to use text-to-speech in Discord. So as you can see, I'm in a Discord channel here, my testing stuff channel. And if you have a couple friends in here, if you type in /TTS, which is /text-to-speech, and then type in a message, check out what happens. Everyone in the channel will hear this, by the way.
A said hello everyone.
And I don't know why, for some reason my nickname is A, but it says your username and then it said hello everyone or said whatever message you type out. So it's pretty cool. You can use /TTS.
A said I am here.
And yeah, pretty much that's it. Like, it's a very quick video, but if you're in a Discord channel and you're in the chat for it, which is the text channel for it, you can do a /TTS and everyone in the channel that's currently in the call will hear that text to speech. So that is pretty much it, guys. I'm not going to keep yapping. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.